Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. If you are driving a Dodge Charger, Chrysler 300 or a Dodge Magnum with a 3.5 liter engine and you might be worried about your engine having a tick, it might be a rocker arm issue. So I will start this Charger. I'm gonna show you how that sounds. I will go outside as well later. I hope you can hear that tick. I will go outside now also so you can hear it better. So this loud pounding noise, ticking noise, those are the rocker arms. And it's a very common thing on these engines. Like almost every second Charger or a 300 we get has this noise. Some of them more, some of them less. Okay, let me turn it off. Yeah, so if your engine sounds like this, it is most likely the rocker arms noise. Like I said, that's the most common on these vehicles. In the description below this video I will leave part number for the rocker arms and a link to the part as well. There are two rocker arms, left and the right one. If you decide to fix this, definitely change both of them. Labor wise, it takes maybe 3 or 4 hours to do it. So if you're able to do it yourself, it's gonna cost you altogether like $400 or $500. If not, you'll have to take it to a shop. In the near future, I might post a video on my channel how to replace it with step-by-step guide. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you're having these problems, comment on it, and I'll do my best to post this video as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and I hope this was helpful.